Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my TCL 10L. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset on this device. This is very useful if you are selling the device onto somebody else or if you're giving it away. I highly recommend doing this factory reset before you actually sell it on or give it away. And what the factory reset does is it wipes the device totally clean. So it's going to remove all your personal information like your social media accounts, your Google account, banking details. Everything is just going to be totally wiped from the phone, and the phone is going to be put back to its default settings. So yeah, before you actually perform this factory wipe, make sure you back any important pictures up, videos, anything you find important on the device. Just make sure you back it up to either your PC or an SD card or a thumb drive, because like I says, once you perform this factory reset, the device will be wiped totally clean and you cannot retrieve those files. So yeah, let's go ahead and perform this factory reset. So to do it, just pull down the notifications, go into the settings and scroll all the way down to where it says system time backup and then reset. And here you get the options to reset the network settings. So if you've got issues with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or anything like that, that would be the option to select. If you have problems with applications, you can reset the app preferences, but this is the option to wipe the device totally clean. So factory data reset, and once again you get this message here explaining what I've just explained to you. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app and data settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, other user data. Okay, so down here, let's just focus. You will see reset phone. So just select reset phone and then reset, erase all your personal information and downloaded apps. You can't reverse this action. So it warns you again that you can't reverse this action once you perform the reset. So go ahead and erase everything if you're sure that you want to wipe the device totally clean. Okay, so from here, if you're planning on keeping the device, you'll have to go through the whole setup process again. But if you're selling it on or if you're giving it away, you can just hold down the power button and power it off, and then just pop it back in its box and sell it on or give it away, whatever it is you're doing with it. So yeah, if this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy Android. I'm out. Doses.